nearby.
Oh my god, I thought he was AFK. Drew, where you at? Drew. Oh my god, I just saw you. Just saw you got decapitated. Drew, I have an emote. We could probably put a billion of them, like.
We execute you. Tonight is your last meal. Okay, I would have probably had that choice. Now, what would you like as your last meal? Bad, not bad. Now you, sir. What would you like as your last meal?
Oh, that's gas you don't want to breathe. Make your way to the safe zone. Nothing's on target.
Oh my god, fine. Prison. Okay, control. Oh my god, it's a ghost man. I'm gonna tell the teacher that you're good. Oh my god. Oh my god, imagine using a gun. Imagine having a gun. Like, it's actually impossible.
It's still here.
What is still here? What? Drew, you mind helping me? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I am gonna die.
Taking fire.
I know he was gonna. I heard him. I will crawl under your bed.
You're not going down without a fight.
Oh, what the freak? Where did this kid come from?
Won this battle.
I will throw rocks at your window. You open this door before I throw rocks at your window and kidnap your mom, you dumb public bathroom.
He himself wasn't willing to. He also led by example when he fought alongside his men in the heat of battle. Like
I'm going to post this, and I hope I don't get banned. Oh, it's probably never gonna happen because I never get any views. Hey yo, say hi to YouTube, TikTokers.
Use this time to train a bit. Deploying soon.
The soldier, CPR, mouth to mouth. Hey, meet me over here, Nova. Meet me over here, Nova.
Where I'm going, go.
Just go all the way over here. Just go all the way over here.
What the hell? Oh, yeah, Mark.
Hip fire? Decent. Where you at?
I'm coming, Tati.
Get lasered! You suck!
Hey, Dodge,
okay, look, what was your...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You want to see something else that I got? Look at the troll, look at the troll. Dude, look. It's gonna be such a good troll. Like, look. Put this on the wall.
I have that one. I have one of those.
Put this on the wall. Put this on the wall. Look. Oh my god, it's a man. Shoot him in the balls.
It's beautiful. Look at me. I'm thumbs upping it. Thumbs up.
It's an Indian man. I don't like that man.
Wait, what? Go.
There's no way I crack someone's plates by doing that. I just threw a random freaking thing and I cracked someone. Oh, it's because he's AFK, yo. Yo, let's go to bioweapon. Yo, let's go to bioweapon so it's even funnier.
Yeah, bioweapon.
Just troll it. You'll put like one of those targets, and I'll just like troll it.
Put him right. Put him in place.
No. I'm gonna put. If we had like claymores, just put them on the top of the building. And if we had like proximity, was it proximity land or landmines? I don't know, I'm too used to Fortnite. Even though it's been like freaking a while since I played. Hey yo, I know where you live, so you better not come down here.
Targets are up. Take them out.
Just a couple people. Imagine dying! Imagine!
There's a kid down here somewhere.
Yeah, help me. I'm literally about to die. Is he down or is he up?
He was going down.
Okay, buddy. Okay. Oh, come in.
Oh my god, he's dead.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
And you're not
I'm lagging.
Not going down without a fight.
I'm lagging.
I was lagging for the rest of my life.
Oh, what the heck? You should have told me that he was behind me, buddy. What the fuck?
The enemy won this battle.
What was that?
Back to finish.
What was that finish? Did you see that?
Okay,
A
so
man
this kid tried to
jumped
expose
on me
Mr.
and
Beast,
started
I find
to
it funny
eat me.
because most of the stuff that
I
this
feel
person
offended.
talks about
I'm not
doesn't make
offended.
any
I'm
sense.
offended.
And also, this person spoken through their Roblox
Yeah, but
account. I'm assuming this is a
I
girl.
claim that
And she said,
offensive.
"Hi, YouTube. Expose Mr. Beast. He is a show-off. He's showing off how rich he is. He spends too much money." And then
What are
at
you
the end of the
watching
video,
right now?
she says, "Go unsubscribe to Mr. Beast and subscribe to me." Well, it seems like this video gave you the attention you always wanted, but I don't know about the likes. Let's just say one more.
Oh, I hear hearts beat to the beat of the drums. Ooh, see more powder? Ooh, see more powder.
I've got Jacob down here. He's filled
If I had one of my,
shoot it down.
I don't really want Seymour now. I want that gray one, I forgot. But it's been so long since I've been eating this Seymour. That is the best thing ever in my life I've ever heard. Or I've ever tasted. Not really the best thing. Cause all McDonald's fries do be hitting different. But like, Seymour, very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Holding for deployment. Take this time to ready up.
I feel like this something about it I want to change. Oh my god, you don't have to laser me like that, dang. Oh my god. I have corona. No. Oh my god, I have corona.
I'm going to my home. Posse, I'm going to my house.
Okay, I'm coming with you.
Moving.
That ain't no house, bro. That's a military base.
My home, like I said. I'm downstairs. I'm gonna make my room.
Alright.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch
Make
the
your room.
skies.
You said you're gonna make your room, right? You said you're gonna make your room. So you're gonna make your room. So you're never gonna make your room. So you're never gonna make your room. Son, what is this? I don't like that. I really don't like that. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all.
Oh my god.
Drew, he didn't like it either. I agree. Imagine dying. Imagine dying.
Posse, come here.
Oh yeah.
Look at me in the eyeballs. Look at me in the eyeballs. Look at me.
Oh yeah, guess what? Look at me in the eyeballs. Uh-oh. Imagine dying.
Oh my god, the kid is weird. I got your.
He's just like, ha 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 ha, got your. All I heard. Whee.
Training's over.
What's another lady?
Time to see what you've learned.
Oh, lady. Oh, yeah, you need CPR? I got you anytime. I can feel the top, middle, and the bottom. Alright. You talk about the middle or the bottom.
Avocado from Mexico.
Oh, God.
Where we going? Where we going?
Why did I get sick today? I don't want to go to the school.
Prison.
I was tired yet.
Prison.
Battle Royale.
Okay, prison. Remember last time?
Your position. Get to the safe zone.
We don't talk about last time. We don't talk about last time. Give me your money or else you die. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sustaining hits.
Oh my God.
Dropping into the area.
Oh my God, who was that? Who was that?
Not going down without a fight.
Hide. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Let me in. Why the frick did we go over there? Give me an answer. Why did we go over there? We freaking almost died. Oh my god, you have no brain. I'm going to call your parents. You do not deserve to be in this family. You stupid idiot. You're not even in my family. Why are you crying? You are no brainer. You are no brainer. Get that life, you no brainer.
I hate that. I just
Oh my god.
died and I attacked the Titan.
You could have lasted longer. They aside that time, but we'll settle the score.
I already used my loadout once.
I never even, yeah, me neither, because we're playing with sweats. It's not like I'm that good.
Enemies in the area!
We have like 50 gamer people. I don't know how he saw me. How did he even see me? I don't know. Look at the kill feed. I saw him doing nothing. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. I hope. Cause I kind of hate Russian people. Last time they were invading Ukraine, now they're just invading my chat. Turn your snack into something more special. Oh, crackers are good, buddy. I'd put butter on my crackers. I don't really have anything else to put special. Like, it's just butter is really good. Like, you don't need anything extra. Drew probably left. Drew, did you leave? You naughty and you leave. I hope I don't die. Oh no, I hope you don't. I hope I don't die. I'm going to kill every single one of you over here. Just like you. You got lasered. You got lasered. I'm gonna go back and do my tactic. Oh my god, if you don't stop shooting me. You are racist.
Time to deploy to the war zone.
Drew, are you there or not? Do you need CPR? Mine is glitched out. Man, the microphone is out. Sheesh. Yo, by the way, we fungi.
Okay.
Oh, there you are. Let's go to headquarters. Definitely a good idea. No, actually, no, let's go to Nova Factory. That's a crate. I'll go grab the crate. You go grab the money. I'm gonna go grab the loot because
Gas is closing on your position.
I got a net 40. You can't do nothing about it.
Cassie, watch
I'm going to kill that thing. I want to go kill that thing. Get over here, buddy. Where do you think you're going? You think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere.
Enemy UAV active.
You stupid man. Get so stupid. He got mad. He got real mad. Oh my god, toxic.
What did he say?
He said you're gay. N-word. You're gay. Beat N-word. You're gay. Beat N-word. You're gay. Insert N-word. You're gay. Insert N-word. That's basically what all he said. Yes.
Dropping into the area.
With a hard ER and a hard A.
I think there's a
He
hard
was ERA. That's how bad it was. That's how mad he
like
was.
8 different times?
Like yes. You're yeah. I really wish I could say it. But family friendly, remember? No, I'm kidding. I definitely never said it. Dude, what the frick is happening? Jesus, you scared me.
Nothing. Pick that up.
I don't need it, because I have 2 golden guns, which is better than your trash guns. All I gotta say. I have $11,000. What do I do with it?
I don't know.
I wonder what I do with it. I'm very confused what I do with it.
I swear to goodness, the second I drop that thing, that's it.
Oh my god, what the frick you're dumping? Oh my god, I'm finna die. I'm finna die. Man, I'm finna die. Yo, at least give me my loadout first, so before I shoot you.
He's running.
You're running? You were just coming at us. Where did this kid come from? Drew, come on, Drew, come on, Drew, kill him, Drew, kill him. Drew, please don't let him get my loot. Please don't get it, please. All I care about my loot. Cause I had the best loot ever in my life. Hey, actually I kinda care about you. What the hell? How did I not respawn? That hit 0. That hit 0. It freaking hit 0. This is why I don't play this game, because the game doesn't want to let me respawn when I literally hit the 0. It said 1 and then 0. It's still never. You knew what was going to respawn because the freaking counter went away. Still didn't let me respawn. That's how gay the game is. I get like respawn at the last moment and still don't get respawn. Like I get respawn, but still don't get respawn. Register? Don't register. This game is so gay. Bye bye Stewie, 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 bye bye Stewie. Baba booey, baba booey, baba booey, baba booey, baba booey, baba. I'm getting way too bored. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why. Hey, let's make a rhyme. And but it's not really the time. I committed a crime. How about you do the time? I'm using a Farah. You are my. I don't know anymore. Get over here, I'm gonna sniff your booty. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sniff that booty.
Okay, let's test how fast this thing is.
Oh my god, there ain't no way I got that kid.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Imagine.
These freaking kids try harding in these freaking lobbies. It's like they're freaking playing for $1 million.
It's a freaking championship. That's how serious it is.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Oh, these kids are tryharding in lobbies?
I mean, they do. This is just warm up, right? I cannot snipe. Oh my god, as soon as I say that, I snipe him.
Training's over.
Get better at the game! Oh, I just missed my thing. Hey, nice fat booty cheek.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Percy getting on?
I don't know.
Bro, I really want one of them to get on. Cause I don't know if I want LJC to get on. I'm just gonna get voted out for racism. Or just get banned on YouTube from racism. For that racist man. He said the N-word like 50 times. Don't know why I'm his friend, but...
Battle Royale.
Hey, let's go over there to security so I can get that crate and we can get the money, and then we get the money, we'll get the other crate, which is the supply drop. So and then we rush over there to the... rush over here to the living quarters, we can kill all the people.
Oh, I just told everybody how
We get box over there. Alright, bet. None of them, if everyone says no... Huh?
Percy was so mad, bro. Whenever I start spamming the group chat.
For real? But whenever people spam, it's actually pretty annoying. I get like freaking like rage, like beep 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 beep. No, I've never done it before.
Not like
Never. No, I've never done it
I was
before.
sitting there for You've never done it before.
Yeah, I've never done it. Definitely never sat there for like 15 minutes
messages
just
that disagree
spamming.
with you.
Definitely done it.
Messages that disagree with you by a lot.
Yeah. What the hell is that? What the hell? I am going to give you the mega slap if you don't shut the hell up. What the?
Hey, what did you just say?
Nothing, you Asian piece of crap. Okay, that's kind of racist.
Yeah, that's racist.
I mean, I'm Asian, so you Asian. We both Asian like an Asian boy. I'm an Asian boy. I'm just so rich on you. Cause I'm an Asian boy. I'm a hit you cause I'm an Asian boy. What the frick is it all the way over there? I'm gonna go get it. I'm done. Don't care what you say. Oh,
I can buy loadie. I can buy loadout.
oh, you can buy. Oh, I never knew that.
Enemy UAV
Actually,
active.
never knew that. Get over here. You go. Here you go. Oh my God! Take the money if you want to buy the freaking loadout. Nickelodeon. Oh my God! I get like godly as soon as you buy the freaking loadout. No. Yeah. Yay.
Next loadout drop on the way.
Oh, don't take that, buddy. But
You're losing ground. Move it.
imagine not being the last to get loadout. It can't be me. Right, Drew? Because it is you.
Camo. You know what? Look at me, Tassie. Look at me, Tassie. Look at me, eyeballs.
Time for payback.
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Shh, look at me. Look at me.
Safe zone. Watch for enemies.
That's what you're gonna shove in my butt tonight, right?
Oh yeah, right.
Left.
Get over here.
Keep moving forward.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna send out a UAV because I already know people are gonna be camping over here. I was very much wrong. That's actually pretty stupid.
Yeah, it's like the next guy is like a mile away.
There ain't no way there's like no one here. I know there's like 50 billion people here every time. I know that's cap. Hey yo, Drew, you wanna come with me? Hop in a ride?
I have tried.
Remember last time we died, but I don't care.
UAV is out of
Get in the ride. I will run you over. I know where you live, so you don't get in. I will. Yeah, very much. What the hell was that? Oh my God, what happened? I just heard.
Oh, somebody's actually dropping. Kids.
Gas is inbound.
Where?
Marking new
I
safe
just
zone.
left you. Oh, over here.
Have eyes on.
Enemy UAV active.
I sucked your mom off
Grab the
yesterday.
contract. It's over.
Oh, where?
What the heck?
Enemy UAV.
Sustaining
Okay.
hits.
Got him. Better not take my loot, buddy.
They're gone.
The fuck? Oh, the frick.
It's gonna close around
Hey,
security.
kids over here. Kids
Go
over
back
here.
to security.
Eyes on target.
Go
Kids
back
over,
to security.
kids
Go
is
back,
somewhere
go
over
back.
here. Kids is somewhere over here. Cause there's
Point.
no,
This
we're gonna get low ground. Remember
on
last
target.
time we got freaking stuck in the circle?
Oh yeah.
Enemy soldier
Dummy.
nearby.
Found him.
Oh, help me. Help me, Drew. What are you doing just standing there and doing nothing? You left me. Why did you leave me? You can kill him. Kill him. He's freaking. He has no plates. He has no plates. He has no plates. He has no plates. Oh, you're dead. If you don't die, just don't die and I'll be fine. Just don't die and I'll calm down. He freaking left. He freaking left like a wussy. You pussycat. You pussycat. 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 I'm saying pussycat, so it's basically not a bad word. What does that smell? I really don't like that smell. It really smells weird. What the hell? Yo, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Saw freaking two dudes.
Enemy UAV active.
Two dudes, one girl. Rick up there. You're up there. You're up there.
Yep, I know that.
Throwing grenade.
Hey,
I can't
got someone's plates? Got someone's plates on me, on me, on me.
Targeted.
Drew, kill him, Drew, kill him, Drew. You can kill him, you can kill him, you can kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Drew, there's no way you can kill him. There's no way you can kill him. I freaking got all his plates. He had 0 plates. Buddy, he has 0 plates.
We're in the safe zone.
0, you hear that?
It's kind of dumb that my gun
0.
like a full-on rifle could not.
I want one of them to get on. We need help because they sweat. Percy could get on.
Sweat lobby.
That would have been cool. We probably could have at least gotten like somewhere near freaking 50th. No, not 50th. Somewhere freaking.
I told you we should have fallen back.
I mean, like, I didn't know there's gonna be freaking that kid there. Bro, he was freaking, like, low. He was freaking one. And then this other kid, I don't know how he kills me with the gun. That kind of makes no sense, but, like, how does smacking a gun on someone actually, like, hurt? Like, yeah, I know, but, like, it's hard, and they probably are strong, but, like, how? We have armor on. We have literal plates. How does that crack our plates? Are we freaking Superman or something? No common sense in this game. Getting shot 50 times in the body is apparently not killing someone. One mark in my cracker. Who has that skin? Attack on Titan skin. Weed. Weed. Big weed. Hello. Oh my god.
I'll go where? Prison?
Nothing's on target.
Sweat, activating. Oh, grandma just ran off.
Sweat, ball activated.
Eyes on the head for target.
Go.
Popping smoke.
I'm so good at the game.
Pop that smoke?
Yeah. Oh my god, daddy. God, it scared me.
I'm rushing.
Rushing where? There's nowhere else to rush, buddy. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, what?
I mean, you did say you were gonna rush.
Oh my god, I hate it. I'm gonna let this kid just crawling across the floor, bro. And you can't hear me. You know you can't because I was using dead silence.
Dango.
Imagine.
Okay. We'll settle the score.
Yes! Yes, you're alive. Yes. Yes. Okay, never mind.
Wait, how are you playing?
I thought you were in. I thought you were in the end.
I wasn't going down like that.
And the best around. I'm gonna take me now. Any of them respond to the text?
Nope. Nope.
Oh, dang it. Probably all asleep. No! My beautiful. It's all frozen. Put it under the light. Let it unfreeze. I'm best around. Ain't nobody gonna try to touch me now. Ain't nobody gonna try to touch me now. Ain't nobody gonna touch me now. I'm the best around. Ain't nobody gonna touch me now.
Alright.
Touch me now. Now they're not gonna touch me anymore.
Practice while you can. You'll be entering the field in a bit.
Eyes on that, move it. Eyes on that.
Get over here.
Enemies dropping in.
There ain't no way he ain't dead. A face reveal. 3, 2, 1, go. Da 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 da. Psych.
Playtime's over. Stand by for
Done.
deployment to the war zone.
Oh my god. Drew, what should we land now? Cause there's literally nowhere to land without dying. So where should we land? Did you say chemical? Okay, let's go to chemical. Drew, turn off your phone.
Okay, where are we going?
Get on the game.
Oh, control.
Go to chemical. Or go to control center.
Battle Royale.
You go to okay, we both go to control.
Let's go to control. It's gonna be such a fun game. Oh, I just saw 50 different people.
Oh, wow, bro. I can't even play my game. Just get like fully automatic guns.
What the heck?
Watch out, Tommy. Watch out.
You adopted? Imagine not having a dad. Just get over here. He's just camping in here. He went downstairs. He's fighting someone? He went to a freaking prison?
I said, hey, you got shot in the head. You can't
I don't care if you got shot in the head. Die. And it's all man. What do I do? It's specifically a man. Naked man. I don't like naked man. I mean, even though they look good.
Enemies in the area.
They
yeah, like the usual.
The best.
Rossi, I'm down here. I'm here.
Did you really die from fall damage? I went the wrong way.
No, I didn't. Rope.
Can you find? You didn't die from fall damage? Oh, okay.
Oh, please.
Oh, please. Ligma. Hope you die. You're dead if you don't get over here.
Take them down.
I have all the plates.
There are 24.
On me, Drew.
Contact landing ATMI. I will have my...
Imagine not having a dad. Alright, Drew, there's someone on top. He's on that freaking stables. Top of the, cells. He's gonna die.
What?
Next time will be different.
Watch that.
Return to base for debrief.
Watch it.
I can't watch it.
He's not even aiming at me and he killed me.
Probably has a PPHS. Oh, it's because he has that gun.
I shot before he did.
Cause you probably have a trash gun. I don't know. This game sucks.
Make sure to comment who you'd like me to do next. And here we have my Lego guy. For an accessory, I gave him his glasses. And if you enjoyed this video, don't...
What do you think of Lois's new look? I say this in the most respectful way possible, but don't you think she looks a little... Immish? Yeah, awesome, right?
I gotta say, Peter, I love that bike. Hey, maybe you should give it a try, huh? Good morning. Are you ready to sweat? Okay, let's climb this hill.
Peter Griffin. Stupid.
Hostile dropping into the air. Practice while you can.
Buddy, what are you watching?
You'll be entering the field.
That's your
Nothing.
Don't touch me there. Oh yeah. Oh, what the you ruined? This little bastard. I know where you live. I'll pull up with a white van. I'm gonna go in this helicopter and ruin everybody's game. I just killed someone in the air. Get over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. No one, you're freaking gay. I hate this game. Maybe when I die and kiss you, I'm gonna kiss you in the cheek.
I wish freaking Tossie or Percy was on right now.
Tossie or Percy?
Tossie's already on.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war
Percy
zone.
and LGC.
I wish Percy was on.
Yeah, honestly, just want somebody.
I wish Percy and MJ was on. If Percy and MJ,
call Percy, I guess.
he's probably sleeping.
No.
right now.
MJ's toxic.
I mean, he is kind of useful though. That's the thing. He does help.
He's not super useful though.
He's better than
Like
LGC.
But LGC usually gets.
LGC sucks.
Royale.
But he sits in a corner and
Rush to
somehow
the
he
safe
lives.
zone. You got
Yeah, but then
He
we die
lives
after. Cause he dies. No, he dies after.
Set a
That's the
drop point for
thing.
your team, soldier.
At least he doesn't suck.
He don't do nothing. That's the thing.
Located a supply box. Secure that
Haha,
position.
did you Fred?
Dropping into the AO. Primary objective is to eliminate
That's
all
what
enemies.
Who
That's
said
it.
you did what?
You may be last, but you're not going
I'm
down
going
without
to
a fight.
shock you.
Supply box marked. Secure the goods.
Marking AR for entry.
What you still have to do?
If there's two people over here, I cracked this other kid's shield because he's gay. I'm just kidding, I didn't crack his shield. He's probably still having shield. Yeah, don't rush. I recommend you don't rush. These people are gay. There's no way you just got lasered.
That time, but we'll settle the score.
This game
All you can
sucks.
see is my head.
This freaking game sucks.
He
We're
didn't
playing
even
with
shoot me in the
freaking
body. I shot him in
stupid
the
sweats. I'm not even that good at the game. Freaking, this game sucks.
You want to get on a Fortnite after this match?
After this match. As long, if we don't at least make top 10, then we have to stay, or if we have to go to Fortnite, if we don't make top 10.
Yeah. If we make it to top 10, then we stay.
Remember when I posted this video?
Probably most likely just gonna go to Fortnite, because freaking gay game has sweats. And probably has no matchmaking. I don't even know if it has matchmaking or not. It better have matchmaking. If not, I'm a clap.
But then the question arose, what
new Call of Duty multiplayer sucked because everything about it is based around wars. We no longer play Call of Duty for fun. We play it
Use
for
this time to train a bit so we can deploy it soon.
maps in every game. Got the prison incentive to grind in the game. There was a low-rate prestige system. Leveling guns did not feel like a full-time job, and camo grinding was simple and actually...
Imagine dying.
Don't make me regret that.
Did you know that it
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Jungle.
Oh, get better. What the hell?
Enemy soldier nearby.
Also decided to make it a bit more fun.
Whee!
Preparation
I'm on crack. I'm on cocaine. I'm on everything. I'm on strawberry cocaine. Oh my god, we finna go to Nova 6 Factory. Cause we so good at the game. We're actually not really good at the game. Cause we suck at the game. Cause we die every time at the game. Cause you stupid little sweats wants to play with the game with me and game.
Okay, we're going shore.
No, hot shore sucks. You don't know, we're just gonna die.
We take the helicopter, we throw it at people. That's all I'm gonna do.
And then we die from this other kid who's gonna use this other helicopter, you dummy. Yes.
To eliminate all
There's
enemy.
no point. He's already left. There's no point of doing that.
Tossie, look.
What?
I tell you, it's kind of a decent place. Oh, I did like a
Decent. It's decent. It's decent. You hear that?
Do not
Decent.
take my stuff.
It's decent. You hear that? Decent. Maybe. Okay, I kind of got $9,000 under like 30 seconds. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually a pretty good place. Okay. I had a freaking 50 chest over here. I'm liking it. I'm liking the odds of this.
Yeah, it has lots of loot.
Okay. Jeez. Oh my god, I almost jumped off the edge. Don't ask why. Don't ask how.
That's all you have to remember. That's all you have to remember. The edge is kind of not here. All you have to do to get up.
Over here.
Armed mobile. Eyes on target.
I'm gonna kill these kids because they're gay.
Frag out.
They just got freaking loadout. Hey, I cracked one shield.
Recon these inbound.
Knock him.
Where's this other kid come from? What? Go get a life. No one loves you. Hope you die in fire.
Go to Fortnite. Just go to Fortnite.
I hate this game, bro. This game sucks. There ain't no way. Mez hit me from freaking. Where did this kid come from?